Hello, I'm Seba, one of the many caretakers of the Maya forests, and today I want to tell you about a very special ecosystem of the Yucatan Peninsula, the wetlands. Wetlands are ecosystems found at the boundary between terrestrial and aquatic environments, defined by the presence of water, soil, and vegetation adapted to flooding. Mexico has a great variety and vast extent of wetlands. The Yucatan Peninsula has a distinctive karstic geology with cenotes, caves, and a vast system of underground caverns, which causes rainwater to infiltrate quickly, resulting in the absence of permanent surface rivers or streams. Due to this scarcity of surface freshwater, most wetlands in the region are coastal, although freshwater wetlands also exist. In the Yucatan Peninsula, there are several types of wetlands, including mangroves, petenes, herbaceous wetlands, and floating leaf wetlands. These ecosystems are present in various protected natural areas distributed across the 3 states that make up the peninsula. In Campeche, they are mainly found in the Laguna de Términos and Los Petenes. In Yucatan, in the Ria Celestún and Ria Lagartos biosphere reserves, and in Quintana Roo, in the Siankaan Biosphere Reserve and the Yumbalam Flora and Fauna Protection Area. The diversity of coastal wetlands in the peninsula depends on the level of flooding and the salinity of the water. These factors fluctuate due to tides and underground freshwater currents, creating a wide variety of wetlands known as herbaceous, arboreal, temporary, permanent, freshwater, brackish, saline, or hypersaline wetlands. Mangrove forests are the most predominant type of coastal wetland in the region. They're part of coastal lagoons, marshes, petenes, and beaches. Mexico ranks 4th in the world for mangrove coverage, with the Yucatan Peninsula hosting 60% of the national total, 544,169 hectares. Quintana Roo leads with 247,017 hectares, followed by Campeche with 200,279 hectares, and Yucatan with 96,873 hectares. Mangroves are composed of plant species called mangles, which can reach heights of 2 to 25 meters and thrive in deep, muddy soils with calm or stagnant brackish water. The dominant species include red, black, white, and button mangroves. Their aerial roots allow them to obtain oxygen from the air due to the low oxygen circulation in their environment, and they also provide stability and anchorage in muddy soils. The wetlands known as petenes are unique to the Yucatan Peninsula. They are characterized by being islands of vegetation that depend on freshwater sources such as cenotes and springs. They may be surrounded by other wetlands, lagoons, or marshes. Trees in these ecosystems can reach heights of 15 to 30 meters. For the Maya worldview, the wetlands of the Yucatan Peninsula, including cenotes, lagoons, and swamps, are sacred and vital sites. They are considered dwellings of gods like Chak and of spirits and guardians of nature. Water symbolizes life and fertility. Ancestral spirits reside there to protect their descendants. This fosters a deep conservation ethic and respect for wetlands, which are fundamental to Maya identity and spirituality. The Ramsar Convention promotes the global conservation of wetlands through local and national actions. The Yucatan Peninsula has 23 Ramsar sites, 3 in Campeche, 7 in Yucatan, and 13 in Quintana Roo. Many of them are protected natural areas. Strategies include reforestation, hydrological restoration, coastal cleanups, and regulation of fishing and tourism. It is crucial to avoid pesticides and fertilizers in agriculture to protect the aquifer that sustains these wetlands. Collaboration among communities, organizations, and governments is essential to protect these coastal ecosystems, ensuring long-term environmental, social, and economic benefits. Water is fundamental to daily human life. Wetlands are the kidneys of the planet because they purify and filter water and slow the flow of water toward the sea, preventing floods. Remember, the future of wetlands is in our hands. Let's take care of these essential ecosystems for the well-being of all.